Creamy, filling and versatile, it's not hard to see why overnight oats is one of our most popular Slimming World breakfasts. It's easily adaptable, zero cook and grab and go, as well as nutritious and delicious. Layer 20 grams of plain porridge oats in a glass or bowl and top with sliced nectarines or any different speed-free foods you like. Try strawberry, raspberry or blueberry. Stir half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3 tablespoons of water into 200 grams of fat-free natural Greek yogurt and gradually layer it up with another 20 grams of oats and the rest of the fruit. Sprinkle with ground cinnamon and chill in the fridge overnight. By morning, you should have a creamy, puddingy powerhouse of a breakfast.